Superman, I'm an icon. He loves to wear clips in the game like my middle name is Boss. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Everything's about to change. Everything's about to change. Can't stop what I've been on. Into the great beyond. Can't stop what I've become. Can't stop me now. Can't stop what I've been on. Into the great beyond. Can't stop what I've become. Everything's about to change.
Ako na ata ang pinakamasayang tao sa balat ng lupa. Daig ko pa si Bayani Agbayani na kumanta ng 8-8 mula nang inaya kitang maging prayer partner ko November 30, 2017. Saka ko lang na-realize nung sasalang na tayo sa pre-marriage counseling. 8 taon at 8 araw na kitang partner sa pananalangin. Ngayon, 8 rin ng Disyembre ay di na lamang kita ka-prayer partner kundi akin nang magiging kabiyak ng puso.
Under the starlight we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. This is the start of something beautiful.
Kasi po, walang ibang rason kung bakit mag-aasawa ang lalaki at babae, kundi yung pagmamahal na ipinagkaloob, pinadaloy ng Lord sa ating mga puso o sa mga puso ng nagmamahalan, at ito yung magdadala sa kanila na magdidesisyon upang sila'y magsama bilang mag-asawa.
So don't look back, love, and don't you wait.
I will celebrate my joys and I will give you support in every trials that we have. I choose you every day with God as my strength and witness for all my days of my life.
Under the starlight we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. 'Cause this is the start of something beautiful. Something beautiful.
Di ko alam kung paano ko tatapusin ang aking talumpati sa laysay o ano pa man ang tawag. Marriage vow? Ngunit nais kong sabihin sa iyo, matagal man ang ating hinintay na pagkakataon, salamat sa Diyos at naganap din ang ating inaasam na mangyari.
Mark Jim Tomas, tinatanggap po ba si Marichu Harabata Domingo upang maging asawa, mamumuhay na magkasama ayon sa tinakda ng banal na matrimonyo? Siya ay iyong iibigin, aaliwin, at igagalang at iingatan sa sakit at kalusugan at tanging sa kanya lamang pipisan habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay. Opo, Pastor.
You by my side, there's no place that we can't go. This
KKBs and the music team ay laging naririnig sa akin na kapag mananalangin kayo ng taong makakasama nyo, ay yung taong hindi magiging dahilan ng sisira ng direksyon mo sa Panginoon. Because personally, that's my ultimate prayer in my life. And I thank God in your life dahil ikaw yung kasagutan ng panalangin ko na yun. At mas lalo mo akong inilapit sa Diyos.
My feet may fail, and there I find you in the mystery, in oceans deep. My faith will stand, and I will call upon your name, and keep my eyes above.
Dumating man ang unos at bagyo, hindi tayo natinag sa ating pananampalataya. Naging mailap man ang pagkakataon sa ating buhay, ngunit hindi naman tayo pinabayaan ng Diyos.
You are mine. Your grace abounds in deepest waters. Your sovereign hand will be my guide. My feet may fail.
Today, I give myself to you completely and joyfully. I promise to love you as Christ loved us unconditionally, to honor you, to pray for you, to encourage you, and to serve with you.
Ikaw naman, Marichu Harabata Domingo, tinatanggap mo ba si Mark Jim Tomas upang maging asawa, mamuhay na magkasama ayon sa itinakda ng banal na matrimonyo? Siya inyong iibigin, aaliwin at igagalang at iingatan sa sakit at sa kalusugan, at tanging sa kanya lamang pipisan habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay.
Opo, Pastor.
Walang ibang sinisigaw kundi ang pangalan mo, Marichu Harabata Domingo, na ngayon ay tatawagin ng Mrs. Marichu Harabata Domingo Tomas.
Take me deeper than my feet could ever.
Pinagsikapan ninyo, pinaghandaan ninyo ng 8 taon bago dumating ang araw na ito. Pinagsumikhayan ninyo para kayo ikasal sa araw na ito. Sa inyong journey na susunod sa buhay mag-asawa, higit na dapat makasama nyo ang Lord para maranasan ninyo ang pagtatagumpay sa inyong pagsasama bilang mag-asawa.
Take me deeper than my feet could ever.
Just promise me and to God that you will be the spiritual leader of our future family, and I will be here, your intercessor forever. And I love you.
Oh, Jesus, oh, my God. I will call upon your name. Keep my eyes above the waves.
Pumuti man ang buhok at kumulubot ang balat, mamahalin kita araw-araw, gabi-gabi, maging sino ka man. I love you with all my heart.
You may now kiss your bride.